Hey guys, welcome back to another video of hashtag A to Z with Varsha, and today we are going to learn letter F. So let's start. I will quickly draw the guidelines here. We just need pencil and ruler for that. If you don't want to work with guidelines, you can directly use your pen. Now here you can see the guidelines. Now I will quickly mark the X height. Starting lowercase f with an entrance stroke followed by ascending loop. For uppercase F, a downstroke, that is a thick line followed by two thin lines. Now let's move to flourishing. For the first one, I am making a curve at the ascending loop. For second flourishing, I will make this ascending loop a little smaller, and then we will do flourishing at the bottom. So you can see that in all three of this we have done small changes in ascending loop. Now let's see the fourth one. So we are done with lowercase flourishing. Now let's move to uppercase flourishing. So first I will go with a downstroke, and now at the top I will make curve like this. Now let's see next one. I am doing this one in one go. If you want, you can take stop. Now here first I have used a downstroke, then I went up with a thin stroke, then again downstroke, and then again thin stroke. For third one, I will move my hand in a circular motion, starting with a downstroke, which is a thick line, then up, then down, then up and down, which is again a thick line. So you can see whenever I am moving down, I have switched to thick lines. So if you find this difficult, you can use thin stroke for this circular thing. Now for this one, we will do something like this. So guys, we are done with letter F, and you can see all the variations here. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.